Hi, I'm Jonathan with Total Warehouse. Thank you for choosing us for all of your material handling needs. Today we'll be discussing about Big Joe's LXE 50. This is a 4-wheel electric sit-down forklift. This unit is powered by an 80-volt lithium battery. The general arrangement for this truck is in the front. You have your standard 42-inch forks. Connected to it is your carriage for your side shift capabilities. Attached to it is your load backrest. Behind it is your mast, with all of your hydraulic hoses and your chains. You have your tilt cylinders, your operator's compartment with the lights, battery, and your steer tires. The battery is located underneath the operator's seat. To charge it, press the button and simply connect to your charger. Once you're finished, disconnect and close the access door. The battery's cover is held down with 4 bolts in each corner. To access it, remove the bolts. Once the cover is off, you'll be able to do any maintenance that's needed. When mounting the unit, make sure that you have 3 points of contact. Big Joe has provided you with grab bars, one by the seat and another on the overhead guard. Place your foot on the pedal. Now that we're in the operator's seat, let's go over some safety features. Always make sure that you're wearing your seatbelt. Fasten it from right to left until you hear the click. Next is the emergency power off switch. To engage it, press down. To disengage, twist and lift. The horn is located on the steering wheel. Press down to sound off the horn. The operator can maximize his comfort by adjusting the seat. There's a lever just below the seat, as well as the steering column. The steering column, rotate the lever counterclockwise, pull down, and secure it by rotating the lever clockwise. Now we're ready to operate the unit. To your left of the steering column is a forward, neutral, and reverse control. Right hand side is your blinkers, parking, and headlights. To the right hand side of the operator is your control levers. The accelerator pedal is on the right hand side of the operator. Press down to accelerate and lift up to decelerate. The brake pedal is in the center. Step down to apply the brakes. Parking brake is on the left-hand side of the operator. Step on it to engage. To disengage, step on it again. To start the unit, you will locate the key switch on the right-hand side of the steering column. Turn on the unit. The display is located on the right-hand side of the operator. On the display, you will have your hours, battery percentage, miles per hour, and whatever direction you will have the unit in. D is for forward, N is for neutral, and R is for reverse.